double one. It's really.
Yeah.
You can hear it.
Yeah.
Oh, you hear it?
Oh, yeah, I heard that.
Yeah. Pretty sure if you hit that double one, there it'll go. Can't swing the other way?
The other way, I know.
You're better off swinging to your left, right? Because that's the way they're bending. Right now you're just propping it up and then bringing it back down, right?
Well, the fewest things there are.
See my wounds? Your battle scars?
Yeah.
Aww.
I'm a left-handed batter.
Oh, mommy. Look at her battle scars.
You want to hit that one, or do you want to get some of these? I'm going to leave that with the final bar. We'll do it. If we get rid of these, that's definitely going. Okay. Next off. Good shot.
Get those on my feet down before.
There can't be much more.
No, I don't know.
Well, this might do something too.
I think the other one
Oh,
would
you're
be
moving the other one with it.
pro.
That's because it's attached to it.
I know.
Look at that.
I think that's gonna work.
Not to break it. That's good.
Yeah.
Look at all these 2x4s. How angry.
That's not holding anymore. That's one that's all that's left holding everyone.
Oh dear.
Now I want to get out of there.
Huh?
So those are barely doing anything. Just that one there.
Yeah, that one on the corner.
Usually they smack it once from the.
Wow, look at the 2x4s here, how they're leaning. Look at the window.
I know, so I'm saying the whole
Oh,
wall.
look at the
is
warp in the 2x4.
Yeah,
Yeah,
everything's warped.
Feel it.
Look at this side.
You
Look at
do,
this
yeah.
wall. Look at the window. Well, that last one. I think that corner. You should bang it that way, towards the creek. I think.
Or this way.
Yeah, that way. Oh, that way. Okay, oh, that way. Yeah. Well, it's warping that way anyways already, so.
So kind of one hit that way,
Yeah.
it'll bring it down. Well, maybe two.
Come on, Jacob. Hit it like you mean it.
Yeah. Oh, there it goes.
Yeah.
Shit. You know what? Hold on.
You're gonna push it from there? Yeah? Wow. Wow. You're moving it, Alex.
I know I am.
Well, do it with a
It's not holding very much. Here, just hit with a hammer from this side. Hit this main post, Brian.
Right.
Or I'll do it if you want. Just
Here we go. Have a hit.
We're not good enough.
How many times I swung that knife down?
It's coming. Wow. It's moving, Alex.
Look at this. Whoa, come here.
Yeah,
Look
look, it's
I'm just moving the post now. You can hear the whole thing
oh
cracking.
yeah.
Whoa, whoa.
A little bit of dust.
Like a tornado. Holy smokes. Oh my gosh. Did you get that laugh?
Yep.
Yay!